I got time today. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. So you guys see I did the Happy Meal song, so you already know what it is. And you can probably see by the video title that this is a Notiq special. And so I thought I would combine two things together. So I want to give you guys like a walkthrough of my Notiq luxury collection and then show you guys the new products that came out to Notiq. Now, I actually ordered mine the day it came out, but I also got mine for PR. So let's go ahead and open this one up here. If you haven't already, click the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos, because I'm your new best friend. That's it. That's the tea. I'm your new best friend and you don't want to miss it. So if you guys like DIYs, if you like organization and of course budgeting, or you just want to get your life together and you need a friend to help, you know, some accountability or whatnot, I am her. She is me. We is a we. And over here, we is a team. So we do it together. We just get our lives together. So I'm so excited that I get to share that with you. So make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget. I'm gonna keep saying that because y'all, we're gonna get to 50K. Okay, we're gonna stop playing out here in these streets. So here we go. Do you like my music too? Come on, Notiq. Look, y'all know how I feel about this rap. I try to save all the rap, baby. This is all the rap gets saved. And look at, would you look at her? Look at her. Come on now. I got some new notepads. And I love the Notiq notepads. Absolutely love them. Don't forget, I'm going to have my code down below so you guys can order stuff and use my discount code and tell them Elaine Michelle sent you, because I did. I kind of sent y'all a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna get there. You know how when you just know that like this company is gonna be amazing, and then you just watch it just like I just love it. I love it so much. And I love Notiq and I love Viv, and she gives us these notes. These are, I'm not gonna say they're not the like the handwritten ones that we used to get. So that's one of the things that has changed, but the message is still the same. And I think she's like changing it up as she goes. But yeah, a portion of your purchase will help make this happen. So I am grateful. You are important to me. So this is one of the new cards, but it's still a written message from her. So, you know, it's all the same. But don't get it twisted. I still like my messages via, like, I get text messages, so I'm good with that. But you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing like open up a Happy Meal. Y'all know what I'm saying. All right, so go in here. And it just says, it has some background on this. Now this is pretty cool. As a young child who attended boarding school in Nigeria, a lack of consistent clean water was the norm. Along with my peers, we learned how to self-purify water. Enter, fetch some water, let the sediment settle, carefully drink the top layer, and pray you don't contract typhoid fever. I quickly learned not to take water for granted. The journey of health and wellness begins with a glass or a bottle of clean water, but with the many balls we have to juggle, we often get busy and unintentionally take simple things for granted. Many of us forget to drink water consistently. We're talking to anybody? Talking to me, okay? So I'm inviting you to join Notiq's Water and Wellness Challenge with this affirmation water tracking bottle. I hope this bottle inspires you to become the woman of your dreams. A portion of the proceeds from this bottle will benefit the Water Project, Inc., a charity providing safe and clean water to developing countries in Africa where I was born. Thank you for joining me and making an impact, and cheers to health and wellness. Warmly, VJ, founder and chief elegant officer of Notiq.com. I absolutely love it. All right, so let's get into it. Ooh, hold on. We got some things in here. Hold on. All right. Ooh, this bottle feels amaze balls. Okay, and this is gonna be perfect. Perfectamundo. And the box got the design on it. Okay, so this is a consistency tracker that was in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Consistency tracker. Okay, then it came with a brush. Okay, so you can clean your water bottle out. Come on, how fancy is this? How fancy is this? Can you guys see it? I feel like I should have like moved backgrounds for now. Let me see it. Let me move it over here a little bit. Can you guys see? Okay, so we have this, and it has the Notiq name on it. I love it, love it, love it. And then here is our water bottle. And so let's just read all of the things on here, okay, so you guys can see. Here we go, here we go. And it says, a woman of focus, a woman of value, a woman of courage, a woman of discipline, a woman of consistency, a woman of health and wealth, a woman of success, and at the bottom, once you've reached this, a woman of completion. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this concept. This is so amazing. So we open it up, and it also has a straw. There's a straw in there. It's a straw in there. Okay, I'm so here for it. And don't forget to, you know, wash your bottle out first, but make sure you take this out. Don't leave that in there, okay? But this is absolutely amazing. The straw just fits right down in there, so you can pull it up when you want to. And on the side, it says, I am becoming. I love, love, love this. Look at this bottle. This is gorgeous. Y'all gonna get y'all one? Make sure y'all use the link down below so you can copy one. Okay, but if you thought that was all, you also can buy this one, which is a little bit smaller than the other one. I really should know these sizes, but I don't. But this is the pink one, and this is the clear one. So I wanted to get both of them, so I bought this one. This one came in PR, and I absolutely am so excited. These are going to be perfect for, like, as I'm sitting here at the house in my office. This makes it very much so not intimidating. It has the small straw in it, and look at that. These are just so cute. Are you not gonna get your water bottles? Tell me you go. Look, go get your water bottles right now. Tell her I sent you. Get your water bottles. Just listen, Linda. And then that one, the little small one, like the pink one, came with this in there. So you could pop that on there instead of this lid, and you can just sippy. Oh, maybe that's what the straw attaches to. Child, it was one in the other one too. Y'all know, see, this why I don't know why y'all still let me review stuff and unbox. This be real reactions. I'm like, I'm just gonna pull the straw out and I can sip the straw anytime I want to. Look, it goes like this. And you can strap it on there and hold your bottle. So if you want to go work out, boom. Y'all better get into this. Get into it. All right, so I wanted to give you guys a look at my Notiq collection as well, and just show you guys some of the luxe items you can get. So we already saw the water bottles. You guys can go cop those. And I'm trying to think of where I want to start, because I just have, like, I went in the trenches and got all of the things that I've been collecting for like over a year now, of items that I love from Viv. And I keep them in their little like bags, but I'm thinking, like, for look purposes, I probably should take them out of there, but I just can't bring myself to do it. So let's just start and see where we end up at. Let's just see where we end up at. All right, so first up, we have some planner covers. This is in the blush pink tone, I believe, and it's a Stefano style of leather. It's vegan leather, so it's not like real leather or whatever. But this one is the size that fits your classic size Happy Planner or classic size Erin Condren. I love using this cover when I am inside of either of those. It actually fit my Moxie Life in there too. So if you guys are looking for a planner cover, this is perfect for that. I think these are amazing. And then this one is the A5 size, and you can literally like fit whatever you want to fit in here that's A5 size. So like if you have a Happy Planner, or like I think the half letter planner fit in there, my budget planner, if you have let's see, hold on, we might have a budget planner right here. Hopefully I don't knock down everything. Hold on. If you have one of my budget planners, this fits my budget planner. That's actually the reason why I wanted to get it, and I market it as like your companion to having your budget planner. I just think it is so cute, and you can keep it in there and it does amazing. So okay, let's keep going with that. So those are still available on the website. And then I also got, oh, these laptop covers. Oh, these are my faves. These are like some of my faves. Absolutely love them. They are perfect for like on the go, and they double as like, let's say you're going somewhere, you just want to use, like, this is like an envelope tote, so you can just take it with you. And okay, I didn't have to stand up for that, but yeah, there you go. I have these two, and it comes in a ton of different colors, and I believe a few different leathers. This one is the like alligator type style print or whatever. But this green, y'all, I don't think this camera is doing it any justice. This green is absolutely amazeballs. Okay, then we have this one is probably my favorite collection of them all, because you guys know I think I'm like the tiger queen or whatever. So this does really, really well. I love the different sizes. I take this one like as a bag, like as a purse, and I have the chain. It's over there in the thing. I did not grab the chain. This one fits my iPad, so I love that one too. And then this one is for my laptop, so I love to keep that one. Oh, and let's look. Do we have a Paper Planning Essentials magazine? Oh, hey, how you doing? Make sure you guys check out the Paper Planning Essentials magazine, because this is absolutely one of my favorite. We don't have a lot of planner magazines. I don't think we have any planner magazines, but this is one that you guys can definitely get into and love on. So shout out to Paper Planning Essentials, who created a magazine for us. You can get it in digital print or whatever. So yeah, I keep that. I'm kind of weird like that. I'm cool like that. But anyways, these are some of my favorites to just kind of like have and just zhuzh up my life, make me feel fancy. I cannot wait to get back to like Starbucks life, so I can just pick one of these and take them with me and just look all fancy, y'all. I'm sitting at Starbucks with my lemonade and not my coffee, because that's me. All right, so next up I have my notebooks from Notiq, and I absolutely love these. These are great for coffee tables. Now that I kind of have one, I actually can put these on my coffee table now instead of just whatchamacallit. But I also wrote in them, so I kind of don't want them out in the public. Like if people come over and they start looking at it like it's not a book, and they might try to like look through it. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave them in here. But it says She Conquered Her Fears, and it came in black and it came in pink, which are the signature colors for the brand, in my opinion. And I believe this is before everything changed, like before she changed the sign over for. Anyways, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. I feel like were these in here together, child? Because these look like they were just stuck. Then I have her book. If you guys did not know, she is also an author, and I'm probably gonna tear this up, but Viv's name, her real name is Jokotade. Hopefully I said that correctly, but if you guys have Audible, she does pronounce it on there. And 5 essential principles to get back on track and move forward. The fresh start, and it's a step-by-step journey to rebuild and renew your life. But one of the things that I loved about this book was how she really walked us through kind of like her life and what she learned, and not just gave us like blanket statements of how. It really just gave us something to give us a basis of what we should be doing, and then here's how, or here's why I think you should be doing that. So anyways, I really love this book. Highly recommend. I plan on re-listening to it, because it's just, I mean, it's just such a helpful book, and it really helped me in the time that I was reading that. So make sure you go check that out. And then I have my scarf, which I keep over here. This is my fancy dancy scarf. Okay, and again, I told y'all I've been rocking with Notiq for a while. You see, that's the old Q that was on there, which stood for quintessential. And one thing about Notiq that I love is that she listens to her customers, to her audience, and she changed the logo or brand, because the Q standing for quintessential, in my opinion, was amazing, but a lot of people didn't get it. They didn't gravitate to it, and they would say, oh, I would buy it if it didn't. And so she took that into consideration, went back to the drawing board, and came up with the new design that we see. This is my travel bag that I have here, and it has like a little small one inside of it. I love these bags. Perfect for traveling. Normally I'll just like take my toothpaste, few makeup items or whatever. I'll just bring those over here. Such pretty fabric inside. This is just such a cute thing. Like, who would think of that? Travel essentials like these. This is perfect, and it's see-through, it's clear. So like if you have, I can even take this to work with me because it's clear if I wanted to. I love this bag. Perfect for traveling. All right, so now we're gonna get into my planners. That just fell over, that I have. So this is the last one that I received. You guys know I'm obsessed with A5 planners. They are my absolute favorite. And so I have this one. This is the 2021 edition of this planner, and I forget what this is. This the crocodile? Y'all know I'm not good with the textures and stuff, but this is one of those. Y'all saw the video. I have it linked up below. I have all the videos linked because I went through these in a video of all of them, like seriously. And then hold on, I'm missing a planner. Okay, so then we have this one. This is one of my faves. This is one of the ones I kind of started off with. You see the Q, and this is the quilted vegan leather. Oh my gosh, I loved it so much. I still keep like my inserts and stuff inside of here because I just think it's like so cute to do so. So I keep my inserts so I can find them later on if I want to, and that's kind of why I keep them in their little baggies. But I'm thinking going forward, I'm just gonna stick them back up there like that. I'm not gonna worry about putting them back in their purses because they're safe up here. If I was kind of carrying them around again, I probably would put them back in there. So maybe I'll just house those. And then this is the one that started everything off. I saw this one and I was like, I gotta have it. It's so cute. It's pink. It's rose gold. There's rose gold stuff inside of here. Rose gold it is. It just looks so pretty. You can tell like this was the stuff I was into at the time. And I still love my inserts. Like, y'all, look at this. This is beautiful. I just love it so much. 2019, y'all. And we in 2021. That lets you know I've been rocking and rolling with my girl, and I loved this one. This one stayed with me for a long time. And then lastly, we have the quilted blush pink, another one of my faves. Oh, got inserts falling out, child. And this one had gold inside of it. You can tell I like went through all of these, y'all. Like I was really using. Look at that. This is such a cute insert. I need to get back on this. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back through here, but I really liked this one. This one I used for quite a while as well. And then the one that I am using currently, so let me put all this back up there so you guys can see. I probably should put black by black, right? Okay, that one looks a little bit big. Look at that. See, now that I got them outside of the thing, this is taller than that one. So I'm gonna put them over here like this. Random, but needed to do that. Now this one, this is Bae. This is Bae. She gets used every day. As you can see, she is chunky monkey. This is my work planner, my everything planner. Like everything I have is inside of this planner. And I love it. I love how I love how it feels. I love the color of it all. I'm sorry, I keep getting out of frame. I just love everything about this planner. It is so amazing. So it would normally go up here if I was like to store them. But y'all, this one comes to work with me. It's in my backpack. It's my everything type of planner, and I love it. And I really think you guys should check out these planners because they're amazing. All right, you guys, so you have seen my Notiq collection. Let me know what your favorite luxury planner item is, or stationery item. I am so in love with all of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you use the code down below so that you can save. It's eMitch10 and save on your order. Like, I'm just saying, look, I'm just saying, don't miss out on all this goodness. Like, it's just too good for you to not have you a piece of luxury. And again, I say luxury is what you believe in. It's what you feel. And I feel luxurious as I am walking around with my planner. Okay, this is a Notiq planner, and I treat this like I would treat Louis Vuitton, because this one it's amazing to me. The quality is everything. Like, I could go on and on about this planner, but I'm gonna let y'all go though. I'm gonna hold on to my planner, and I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm finna go get my water. Let me get my water bottle over here. I'm finna go. Y'all have a good day, okay? I'll catch y'all in the next video. Gotta go fill my water up and go do a little planning on Sunday. Get out this church dress. I'll catch y'all later. KK, bye. Who gonna clean this stuff up? This is a whole lot of stuff. Now I gotta reorganize this just because I wanted to show y'all what my stuff look like. Lord have mercy.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright.